So you got the Spiderman here.
But it's not the regular one.
What's his name?
It's regular Iron Spider.
Wow. Then who's next?
So there's the regular Spider-Man.
Whoa. That's cool.
Did you take a picture of him?
Yeah, I filmed him. I want to show everybody just how big this is.
No,
All these cars.
no.
Okay, not yet.
And here's Miles.
Whoa, Miles. Nice.
Here's Silver Spider-Man.
Silver Spider?
A Silver Spider-Man.
Wow. Wow.
Scarlet Spider.
Scarlet Spider? Whoa. That's cool.
Iron Spider, regular Spider-Man.
He's cool.
And Skeleton Spider-Man.
Ooh, check that out.
Now let's go on these other side.
Alright, what's on this side?
Bad guys.
Bad guys?
Rhino.
Rhino? You got a little hiccups? Ooh, look at Rhino. Look at his armor. Cool. Who's next?
Vampire Thief.
Whoa. Spooky.
Hunter.
Hunter. Wow. Hunter. Who's next?
Vulture.
Vulture? From the movie? Wow.
Green Goblin.
Green Goblin. Oh, everybody knows him. What's he holding, a pumpkin?
Lizard.
Lizard. I remember him.
He looks like Hulk because he has a green body like Hulk and purple pants like Hulk.
Yeah, hold him up close to the camera so we can see what he looks like. Hold him right there. Oh, cool. All right.
And
I think I know who that last one is.
Venom.
Venom. Let's get a good look at him. Wow. Okay.
Is a bad guy, and he's our bad guy for these bad guys, and he's green 117 green black stormtrooper,
Wow.
and he's a bad guy, and everyone knows him.
Well, who is he?
Spidey.
What's his name?
Spidey.
He's big.
He's the competitor for these Spider-Mans.
Oh, okay. Wow. How many race cars do you think you have?
These are all pullbacks.
You've got some really cool ones. Whoa, look at that one. Look at that one.
I have two Spider-Man ones. I have two
Whoa,
Spider-Man
Ford
ones.
GT and then like an old truck. Spider-Man ones. How many monster trucks do you have? Lots?
I just said 20,000.
20,000? Whoa. Look at them all.
Nina has 2 and I have 20,000.
Holy moly.
What is this?
Close look at this one. Whoa. No way. You've got Jurassic World. And it looks like you have Bowser. You have a Mario one? Ooh, look at that one.
And
Shiny.
I have 2 of these rainbow Toro Locos.
Oh, 2 Toro Locos.
Two of
That's
the same
cool.
ones.
I like that.
And then go up this ramp and then jump again. And then go this way and then try to jump.
This is going to be a
Here.
huge track.
And then here. And then we have to go down.
Oh, that's going to be hard to balance on for those big trucks.
And then do this. And then do this. And then jump here.
Holy moly, this is going to be a long race.
And then jump here. And then jump,
All the way through here?
and then jump here. And then jump here.
I hope they have enough gas. And then they're going to go around this?
And then jump here.
And all the way here?
And then...
Who's going to do this? The monster trucks or the race cars?
And then the finish line.
Oh, that's the finish line right there?
Mm-hmm.
Whoa, what is this?
Yeah. That's my Lego set.
Check it out. There's all kinds of cool stuff in there. Whoa, he chose the Toyota Supra. I like that, the Toyota Supra. That's the one he picked? Whoa. Look at him go. Oh. He almost went in the coffee cup. Whoa, that's a huge jump. I don't think he can make it. Oh, he fell on the ground. What's he gonna do? He lost. Well, who's next? I wonder what car is gonna go next. Maybe that orange Lamborghini Huracan? Oh, maybe it's gonna be one of these Porsches. You have a bunch of GT2 RS Porsches.
No, it's a
Oh, now it's a bad guy's turn? It's a bad guy's turn now.
bad
Oh, which bad guy's gonna go? Who was that? Who'd you pick?
This is Vampire Thief.
Oh, which monster truck's he gonna pick? You're gonna see. Which monster truck's he gonna pick?
Papa.
Yeah.
He could pick this one,
Is that a good one to
this
pick?
one, or Bone Shaker.
Okay.
Because those ones are.
Ooh, Bone Shaker looks good for a vampire.
But he just picked Scooby-Doo. I don't know why.
Oh, he did?
I don't know why he's picked Scooby-Doo. He doesn't even like that movie.
Well, let's see what he can do.
Scooby-Doo is still fun.
Here he goes. Up the ramp. Whoa. Whoa. Are you cheering for Scooby-Doo?
Yeah. No, this.
Or Vampire, I mean? Wow. Keep going. Oh no, he's got to go through Bowser, the dog. He didn't make it?
Yep, because he got on this thing, remember?
Oh yeah, and it's hard to balance on that. Wow.
I can't balance yet. No one even won yet.
No one even won yet.
Go.
This is Bowser, the puppy.
I flew. Spider-Man's turn.
It's a good guy now.
Stop. Please.
Bowser, leave him alone. Oh, what's he picking? A GTR? A lightning bolt GTR. Oh, a lightning bolt GTR. Ready, set, go. Whoa. He didn't make it right out of the gate.
He just started.
He just started and he failed.
Miles just started.
Whoa. Wonder what happened.
He just started.
Maybe his tires were flat. Wow. Hunter's up. Let me get a good look at him. Hunter. Oh boy. All right, what's he gonna pick? Which car? What car is he gonna pick?
Watch me. Can you watch me ride that scooter?
What's he picking? He's got to pick a monster truck.
See? That's a good trick.
Oh, he picked Sad Eyes. Is that what we call that one? Because it has sad looking eyes on it somewhere.
Where's Hides?
On the hood. Right on the hood. It's got sad looking eyes. All right, there he goes. Whoa, he did the ramp. Jump good. Oh, he's going up it. Woo! Whoa, he's fast. He's looking pretty good right now. Nobody's made it well, one person made it this far. But he's got to go a little farther. Whoa, off their arm. He didn't make it already. Oh, no, he's still in the game. Here he goes. We've got spectators. Bowser's watching. Nina's watching. Whoa, he's made it all the way over to this table ramp. He's making it off the couch. He's going really far. Whoa, he skipped the tent and he went right to the wall. He must have really good boosters. Here he goes. Whoa, he's going up. Oh! No way. He was so close to the finish line. He was so close to the finish line.
Yeah, here comes the spider.
Who's up now? Put him there on the table so I can see him. Move your hand. Let's get a close look at him. Whoa. What's he gonna pick?
Whoa.
What do you think he's gonna pick, guys? He's looking around. He went past the Porsche. Oh, he hit the Corvette. The Corvette with the Punisher logo on the hood. Whoa. What's he picking? Oh, the police car. Nope, he picked the BMW M2. That's cool. That thing.
And no one's picking these because they're just regular
Cars.
trucks.
People want the race cars, huh? Because they're fast. All right. Here he goes. Get ready.
He hit this one.
Oh.
He hit the old Batmobile.
He's marking them up. See if he can make this jump and get on the ramp. Whoa. Woo! Oh, he's still in the game. Does he have enough power to make it all the way to the couch? Yeah, he does. He must have nitrous. Whoa, he jumped the lacrosse stick balance beam. I bet you he has nitrous. Whoa, look at him go. I bet he has nitrous. Yeah. Here he goes. Whoa. Everybody's watching. Look at all the spectators. Yeah, everybody's watching. Keep going. He's going to make it. He's going further than everybody else. He's going to win. He wins. He's the first one to make it. Whoa, he's the first one to make it. Rhino's up now? Let me see him. Let me get a good look at him.
He fell down.
Look at Rhino.
He fell down.
Yeah, well, he's got to pick his car. What's he going to pick? Pick your monster truck, Rhino. Let's go, Rhino. Let's go. Come on, Rhino. Which one are you going to pick? Whoa, the pirate.
No, it's called Pirate Skirt.
Whoa, look at them, yellow wheels.
It's called Pirate Skirt.
Yellow tires. Okay, ready? Let's go. Let's see, can he do this? Whoa, oh, he's gonna do a rumble and a tumble. Did he already not? Oh, he's back on his wheels. There he goes, he's gonna make it. He's going up, jumping across. He doesn't even do the lacrosse stick, he just skipped it. because he's fast. Now he's going down. Jumping across. Can he make it? Oh, he just made it. There he goes. All the way across there. Let's see, can he make it off the tent? He did the tent off the wall. He's doing good this time. Woo! Look at him go. He's doing it. I think he's gonna win too. Woo-hoo! Oh, so close. Rhino failed.
But because he got too fast and then he hit it.
He did.
But he thought he was gonna win.
He was so close. Back to the good guys. Spider-Man's up. What's he gonna pick? Oh, he's picking a truck? Whoa. He was using his webs, I guess, huh? Here he goes. That truck is actually really fast. Woo! Oh boy, here he goes.
It's a race car truck, see?
Whoa.
It's a race car truck.
Yeah. It's fast.
It's a race car truck.
Look at him go. I think he's gonna make it.
Meow.
Man, he's really fast. The cameraman can't even keep up with him. Whoa!
He picked a good one.
Yeah, he did. Woo! He made it. Yes.
Two Spider-Mans made it.
They're both blue too.
Two winners.
Who's up next?
That guy, and it's actually gonna be Green Goblin.
Green Goblin. Green Goblin, and he's got a pumpkin. He's looking around for a monster truck to pick. What's he gonna pick?
He picked ink.
Ooh, he picked neon ink.
This monster truck is called Ink. No, it's called Gunk.
All right, Gunk, let's go.
This
Gunky Goblin.
this one.
Green Goblin on the ramp.
Gunk.
Can he launch it? Whoa! He almost oh, he's stuck. He's stuck. Oh, he got out. I hope he doesn't throw a pumpkin bomb. It's a big jump. He made it. He jumped all the way across. Now he's going down the chair. Off the coffee table. Off the couch. He's doing good so far. The tent. Now he's on the wall. Can he do it? I don't know. He's got to have enough power. I don't know if he can make it. He's pretty fast. Whoa, that is cool. That's a huge jump, and he made it. Come on, use your power. Use your power, Goblin. Use your power. Yes, he did it.
So one
We've
bad
got
guy.
3 winners, 2 good guys and 1 bad guy. Now we've got another Spider-Man. Which one's it gonna be?
Scarlet Spider.
Ooh, Scarlet Spider. Let's get a good look. Wow. And what's Scarlet Spider gonna pick? Whoa! Pick the Batmobile.
The old Batman.
The old school one.
And the regular one is right there.
Wow. Huge jump. Batmobile's doing it with no problem at all. Really good. Oh! Whoa!
He did it with his bullet.
Batmobile's fast. Wow. This might be the fastest one yet. I think it is. This could be the fastest one. Whoa. Holy moly. Wait up. Wait for me. Gotta catch him. He won. So now we've got 3 winners. 2 blue, 1 bad guy, and another good guy. 3 good guys and 1 bad guy. Now we gotta pick these bad guys, huh? Who could it be? Who could it be?
Lizard.
Lizard? Let's see what he looks like. Lizard fell when he was trying to get in his truck? Oh, he's back. What's he up to? Ooh, I like the colors on that one. That is cool. 99. Go, Lizard, go! I don't know why. I kind of want to see Lizard do good. Can he do good? Let's see. So far, he's off to a slow start. Come on, Lizard. Step it up, Lizard. Step it up. Show us what you got. What's he doing? I've never seen anyone do that. Oh boy. What's about to happen? Whoa. Lizard's going fast. Go, Lizard, go. Oh, wow. Go, Lizard. Come on, Lizard, you got this. You can do it. Oh, he's stuck. He's stuck, and Bowser's trying to help him. He's going through all those rocks. Off the chair. Bouncing off the tent. He can do it. Whoa, he's on the wall. Here he goes. Looking good so far. Moving fast. But I think he's still in it. Yes, he is. He's still in it. Here he comes. He's going to jump the camera. Whoa. I got in the way. That's a big jump. Can he do it? I think he's going to make it. He's sliding on his body. Oh, he slid right up onto the winner's line. He fell down. And he didn't make it.